Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can crop or pan and zoom in Filmora. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my Filmora, and if we want to crop or pan and zoom, we can go to this menu. So click on this menu, and here you'll be able to crop or pan and zoom your video. And if you just want to crop your video, you just need to crop it like this, just like so. You can select the ratio that you want. Okay, then you can click on apply, and as you can see that the video has been cropped. But if you want to crop and zoom, pan and zoom, you can just go back to the option. But wait, I'm going to undo and click on this icon again and go to the pan and zoom. Okay, and I'm going to set the position. For the start, I'm just going to select them all, and for the end position, wait, I'm going to click on end. I'm going to zoom in like this. Okay, then you can click on apply, and let's see the result. Wait guys, the video will be zoomed in. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to crop or pan and zoom in Filmora. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.